Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。为挽救母语，屏东县客家事务处仿纽西兰抢救毛利语的方式，2007年和客委会合办，在内埔乡成立全国第一所沉浸式客语教学幼稚园。什么是沉浸式客语教学？是指学习者至少有50%以上的时间以母语进行沟通及教学的计划，让小朋友从踏进校门开始，全用客语交谈教学，让幼童自然而然、无意识地获得客语的沟通能力，自然学会客语。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
I'm Crystal Quimby.
Hi Crystal, welcome
Hi.
back to the show again.
Thank you.
What's your mother tongue, by the way?
English.
English, okay,
Yeah.
so is mine. Then when did you pick up Chinese?
About 7 years ago or so.
Oh, really? Just
Yeah.
recently. Do you
Yeah.
speak any other languages?
Just a little bit Japanese, Tagalog, and Ilocano.
Oh, wow, look at you, multilingual
yeah.
there. But you know, language is so important, and there's a research that's done recently that 90% of languages will be phased out or die out at the end of this century.
That's crazy. Yeah, actually, I remember as a kid, there was a Native American elder, and he was one of the last people that could speak the language. And he came to our school and he told this story in the native language, and so it was really neat to listen to, but at the same time we knew it was like, oh, if he dies, then the language just dies.
Yeah.
And so one of my classmates decided to actually study under him and kind of keep the language going and preserve it. And so now they've even got like immersion language schools there, which is great.
Nice. That's exactly what I want to talk about here, because even though still a lot of people speak Hakka in Taiwan, but they're trying to preserve it a lot more. And so in Pingtung County, there is a preschool, a kindergarten that has an all immersion school in Hakka. And they encourage, of course, the students, the kids, to come and not only learn in Hakka, but also speak to each other in Hakka to preserve this culture and language.
Right. They're doing the same thing actually in New Zealand. Back in the 80s, they started a preschool.
Oh, no
and
way.
so for the Maori
the
language.
Maoris, yes.
And they're also starting to do the same thing in Hawaii to keep that language going as well. So
Yeah. You know, it's very important to keep this earth alive, and it's not just about being eco-friendly and recycle and be green. The language and the culture are all a very important part of humanity, and so we should really preserve it. All right, I think it's time to bring Leo out to teach us some Hakka phrases that are related to this subject, such as learning Hakka 好了，学客语怎么说？
學客語
Hakka 你，那说客语呢 to speak Hakka
講客話
講客話 and how about to teach 教呢
搞
搞 And now you know, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, 俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.